Hey folks, today is November the 13th. It's currently 9:22 in the morning. We're going to look at doing our prop firm EA week number 9 update review. If you guys will recall, last week we actually made no progress towards our $10,000 goal for the FTMO challenge. And in fact, we actually ended the week in some pretty heavy losses. So let's now go ahead and take a look at our FTMO account here. We can see that this one ends tomorrow, November the 14th. All right, so basically this is going to be it for this third test here. Let's go ahead and jump in. And as you can see, we started out okay. At our high, we were up about $2,231. And a few days after that, we were down $13,608. And recently we were down $16,420. So definitely, where is it at here? Let's keep on scrolling down. All right, so the max loss was 20,000, and you can see we got to 16,724. Max daily loss was 10,000, and our max daily loss we got up to 8,024, and our profit target was 10,000. And we ended up negative 14,546. So we definitely did not come close to passing this challenge. At least in the previous tries that we had with this, we were able to at least get some form of profit, but not on this particular instance here. Let's take a look at some of these other stats here. Average profit was 484. Average loss was $803. And then, of course, we just have the daily summary where we can see exactly what the trades were taking, or the profit and loss for the day, I'm guessing. All right, so November 3rd, we lost 6,960. The 4th, we lost 7,739. Few days of profit before another heavy losing day, $6,765. So I'm guessing we might be seeing another update from the vendor. And as I mentioned previously, I'm definitely going to look at pausing this test while the vendor decides what he's going to do and how he's going to move forward, basically. I know the previous two versions of this EA were definitely profitable, but they weren't made in such a way that they could pass the FTMO challenge. But this one, I'm not sure. This one, maybe in a different trading period, it might perform better. But in this period, it definitely did not perform as expected here. All right, we can come over here and check out the vendor's MyFX book account. Let's see. There's the Telegram, terms and conditions. I am not seeing it. There was a prop firm MyFX book link up here. And I know we checked it last week, I'm pretty sure. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can find it. All right, so I went over to the vendor's Promax Gold EA MyFX book link, and we can see down here, there's the prop firm. All right, let me see when this last updated. 19 hours ago, and you can see this week is showing 1.22%. Overall, they're down 6.01%, so definitely not performing well, but I'm pretty sure that there should have been a new update. So I'm not sure if this is the same MyFX book account, because I believe they had several going across the different versions of the EA that they have released here. And there's nothing stating that this is the third version of it. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure which version this is, because this one's showing plus 1.22%. I know last week when I looked at their MyFX book link, it was showing the negative balance, which we also got that negative balance last week as well. So I'm not sure if this is the same one. And as we can see here, this isn't showing really that same dip. It did have a dip on October 15th. So yeah, I'm guessing this is not the same account that they were showing last week. I have to go back and check the previous video to see. But all right, that's unfortunate. I would have definitely liked to be able to continue to watch and see exactly how theirs performed this week. But I know that people do that, or vendors do that a lot of times when they're about to, put out a new version of the EA. So hopefully that's what they're about to do. It is unfortunate, like I said. I would have liked to see exactly how they did, but definitely will be pausing this challenge here, or this review. We'll be moving on to something else. All right, before we jump into the VPS, let's go ahead and take a quick look here. We can see Monday, Fed Chair Powell speaks. On Tuesday, not core PPI here, but we do have core PPI and PPI. And let's keep on going down here. Wednesday, we have Australian employment change and USD CPI. On Thursday, no high impact releases there. And on Friday, no high impact releases there. All right, let's go ahead and jump in and see exactly what happened. All right, so we are now logged into the VPS here. And we can see clearly that we have one trade open going into the weekend that is up $351. And we can see that our $200,000 sim account is now $185,105. And we should still have smiley faces across the board here. So we know everything is running properly. All right, let's go ahead and jump into account history. First day of the week is the 8th. So we got started right there. So we can see we have quite a few wins to start the week out. Loser right there, followed by quite a few large wins. So we know that there are definitely going to be some heavy losses at some point. But right now I'm not seeing those heavy losses. And here they come. All right, so as you can see, minus 1,000, minus 1,800, minus 815, minus 1,500, minus 370, minus 734. So yeah, towards the end of the week, it looks like we kind of got hit by those heavier losses. And actually, not even necessarily. Okay, so yeah, the 11th here is when those closed out. And that was Thursday, I believe. Okay, so yeah, near the end of the week, we definitely took quite a few heavy losses, and that definitely contributed to what happened to end out this FTMO challenge here. Definitely is unfortunate. Was really hoping that this was something that we could use to pass the FTMO challenge. Unfortunately, it does not look like that is going to be the case. Like I said, I will keep my ears up. Actually, hold on. Let me check the Telegram channel. Give me 1 second. Let me pull up their Telegram channel and see if they've given any updates about this. All right, this is November 8th, and it looks like the first mention they have here is on the Swing VIP, and they say over 60% profit, below 20% drawdown over the span of 7 months. And coincidentally, this is actually the next product we're going to look at testing. I actually already have the review page up on the website, and I've already done the intro video as well. And our first weekly update review on this product will be next week. All right, let's go ahead and scroll down here and see if we see any updates. All right, so there's a prop firm update right there. November 9th. All right, so profit, smaller loss. November 10th. All profitable trades there. Wow. Let's check out the 11th here. Prop firm here. All right, so it looks like, I'm going to guess that they're probably not using the most recent update, just based on what I've seen with this week's results for myself. Unless they change something else. Let's keep on going down here. 193, and then 3 other trades to end the week in profit. So that's very interesting that their trades that they're showing us here definitely seem to be different than the results that I'm getting. And I know on the 11th we had very, very heavy losses, and theirs seemed to be pretty minor here, and they should have been able to come out with a profit, definitely, from what I'm seeing on that particular day. Anyway, like I said, I'm unsure what's going on with that. If that's the same MyFX book link, I'm going to have to maybe go back and check the previous video and see if there are some differences there, if they're using the older version of the EA instead of the new version. I'm pretty sure they're most likely using that older version with their live account, since they're not any longer, I guess, trying to pass that FTMO challenge with it. But anyway, let's go ahead and end things there. We're going to go ahead and stop this test, guys, and we'll, like I said, continue to watch, and we'll continue to watch their Telegram channel, and hopefully they will update us and let us know, or maybe they'll go back to the previous version. Or if you want to, I'm assuming you can go back to the previous version on your own, and yeah, just trade that on a regular account. But as far as passing the FTMO challenge, definitely don't see that with the current version. All right, so I think that is going to be it. If you haven't yet, make sure you guys check the channel, and you'll see the Swing VIP update that just was released, I believe, earlier this week. And starting most likely next Saturday, we'll start doing the Swing VIP updates. All right, folks, hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.